Forget pizza night woes, because today, we're transforming store-bought magic into air fryer perfection with these incredible 3-cheese twisted garlic knots from Walmart. First, grab a package of these delicious 3-cheese twisted garlic knots from the freezer aisle at Walmart. They're the perfect base for a quick canned flavorful snack or side dish. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the sweet spot for getting these knots wonderfully golden and heated through without drying them out. Arrange your frozen garlic knots in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure they have a little room to expand. Don't overcrowd the basket. You might need to cook them in batches depending on the size of your air fryer. Now, place the basket into the preheated air fryer and cook for 7 to 9 minutes around the halfway mark. About 4 minutes in, I like to give the basket a gentle shake to ensure even browning. This helps all those cheesy knots get perfectly crispy on every side. After 7 to 9 minutes, behold, perfectly cooked, golden brown, and impossibly fluffy 3-cheese garlic knots. For that extra touch of deliciousness, melt a tablespoon of butter with a clove of minced garlic and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Brush this glorious mixture over your hot knots while they're still warm. The result is a warm, chewy, garlicky, cheesy bite that tastes like it came straight from a bakery. Enjoy these air fryer delights from Walmart straight from the basket.